We're going to use the algebraic method to balance this chemical reaction. First, start by putting down variables A, B, and C because we only have 3 chemical species. Our linear equations will be based off of the quantity of each atom type, here just sodium and nitrogen. We have 1 sodium associated with A and 1 associated with B. The equal sign comes at our yields or produces arrow. A and B are equal. We need to select one thing, set it equal to 1, and solve for the rest. I'm choosing A because it has the highest variable. I'm choosing A because it has the highest coefficient of 3, and it also tells me about both B and C. Setting A equal to 1 tells me that B also equals 1, and after a little bit of math, it tells me that C equals 1.5. Since I can't have halves, I'll double everything. The rap table method, or teeter-totter seesaw trial and error method, allows us to see whether things are balanced to begin with. But it takes a little bit of effort to figure out exactly how you're going to go about balancing it, hence the trial and error. Things like the sodium, things like the nitrogen being unbalanced, uneven, things like the nitrogen being at odds with itself, 3 versus 2, one of the hints, one of the tips, one of the things that you'd have to remember is that you could find a common multiple of 6 and then add coefficients to make both the nitrogens equal to 6. This is a helpful hint, but it's not automatically something that people will do. It's something that you learn to do. Here we see that the rap table and the linear equations are effectively the same. With the linear equation, there's no real thought involved other than I need to solve this by setting something equal to 1.